Hi, this is Mohidul Saad, co-founder of SolarInstallGuru.com. I'm going to share with you how this free ebook will help you live a greener life and help slash your electricity bill by 90%. In return, you can help make America energy independent. The free ebook titled 101 Ways to Install Solar System with Little or No Out-of-Pocket Cost is a comprehensive guide to living a greener life and slashing electricity bills by as much as 90%. There are 5 different subject themes used in this book, covering topics ranging from renewable energy adoption savings, federal solar tax credits, solar rebates, low-cost solar energy financing, environmental benefits, solar energy equipment maintenance. To live a greener life, you need to adopt the green mindset. The green mindset encourages adoption of green in every aspect of your life. Green home, green car, green business, green school, green shopping centers, to name a few. You don't have direct control over many aspects of the green mindset, but you have control over your homes, cars, and businesses. You can use this book as a guide in adopting greener lifestyle. You have been led to believe it is expensive to lead a greener lifestyle. That is not entirely true. You save money when you live a greener lifestyle. You might ask, how so? Due to introduction of federal solar tax credit, solar rebates, you get significant savings when you adopt a green lifestyle and install solar panels for a home or business. Federal government reimburses you 30% of your greener lifestyle. Even some states want to chip in and offer 0 to 50% in solar rebates to support your green lifestyle. Federal solar tax credit alone significantly reduces your greener lifestyle adoption cost, and if you add the solar rebates from your states, your cost is reduced even further. You might not have the initial funds to go green. No worries. There are low-cost financing options to achieve that greener lifestyle. You might be convinced to live a greener lifestyle, but you are worried about the equipment maintenance. Don't worry. The equipment maintenance, mainly the solar panels, are very low in maintenance. You can hose off the dust or hire someone else to do it for you. If you size your solar energy system right, you will slash as much as 90% of your electricity bills. You are not only living a greener lifestyle, but also saving significant amount of money. So, if you want to lead a green lifestyle, it is very much possible. By adopting a greener lifestyle, you will not only save the environment, but also save significant amount of cash. The greener lifestyle is not only good for your wallet, but also good for the planet. By adopting a greener lifestyle, you are helping in making America energy independent. Go out there, live a greener life, make a difference. Thank you.